Hey everyone, it's Sean, the What's Up Dude. We're in Morris, Illinois. This is Honest Abe's Tap and Grill. We're gonna go inside, check out the food, do a review, have some fun. This is Sean, the What's Up Dude. Alright, we are headed to the front so we can go inside. They are rocking out the America 250 banner. Honest Abe's Tap and Grill. Honest Abe's, here we are. They do have patio seating as well. Honest Abe's Tap and Grill is a family-owned sports bar and restaurant located just outside historic downtown Morris, Illinois. It opened in 2011 by owner Aaron Hansen. The establishment was built around a theme that honors President Abraham Lincoln and his deep historical ties to the Starved Rock country region. Hansen chose the name because Abraham Lincoln heavily influenced the region. This includes Lincoln's 1858 debate with Stephen Douglas in nearby Ottawa and his support for the Illinois and Michigan Canal. The interior features a blend of presidential-themed decor, historical nods, and a separate traditional sports bar set up with video gaming. The restaurant plays heavily on its theme with clever menu items. Signature dishes include the Gettysburger, the Booth Burger, and the Confederate Burger. The restaurant is well known along the Heritage Corridor Burger Trail for its horseshoe and pony shoe sandwich. This open-faced dish, made of thick toast, protein, a mountain of fries, and a cheese sauce, originated in Springfield, Illinois, tying right back into Lincoln's political roots. So Abe's Gourmet Burgers, they have different burgers and different names. You can get several types with different ingredients, and they're all themed after Abraham Lincoln and American history, such as the Gettysburger, which I'll probably get, and they even have the Confederate, the Union, the Lincoln Classic, Rail Splitter. They even have an interesting one called Vote for Pedro that includes tater tots. So this is a very interesting menu and a very cool place. All right, like always, we're gonna give it a first bite. Perfect mixture of egg, bacon, and cheese. This is the Gettysburg, and the flavor of the burger is right on point. Now, of course, gotta try the French fries too. Nice and crispy, whole lot of flavor. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed Honest Abe's Tap and Grill. Until next time, this is the What's Up Dude, signing off. Please like, share, and subscribe so that I can explore new areas and go to more places in the future.